Hi everyone, welcome back to RC Camping and Crawling. And today we got the Land Rover Defender out on top of the mountain. Take this thing for a spin. Not gonna go rock crawling, just gonna take this thing on some trails. You'll notice I have the track kit on it. I've done some enhancements, made them roll a little nicer. I've also added some elastic bands around them, just so they grip a bit better. It allows you to go slower as well. And then I've mounted a action camera, GoPro style camera to the top. So I'm gonna get some cool kind of on top of car footage and see how that looks. So I just want to get this truck out and test it before it gets too snowy. The snow is definitely coming. Winter's coming, as they say. It's only about 1 or 2 degrees right now. I think we're gonna get about 20 or so centimeters snow over the next few days. So in the mountains at least. So yeah, I want to test this thing out first to make sure it's not going to break before I try it in the snow. Quick video today, only just a few minutes. But yeah, thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Take it easy on the rocky terrain. Open it up here when you get into the nicer ground. For sure still is some stiffer suspension. As soon as you get to going up a hill, the right side drops down. So let's figure that out. So this thing's still gonna need a bit of work. Tweak the suspension a bit, it's still just too soft. It actually needs more weight in the front. I'm going to be running an action camera on top of it, which is definitely the plan. So, but otherwise, a ton of fun. Pretty tricky to drive, which is fun. So, yeah. So this is with the 2-speed transmission, but just totally stock gears in it. The stock 2-speed gears, and this is in high gear setting, which seems to have lots of power and no issues at all from the motor side of things. Interesting footage on this moss. That does it for the video today. I'll leave you with a quick speed run at the end here. And thanks again for watching. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.